Welcome to Lana's Homestead and my one-year permaculture garden. I've taken it from grass to sheet mulch to thriving food forest. Join me today as I harvest zucchini, stake up my tomato plants, and harvest cucumber, mint, and Thai basil to make spring roll. Now I'm going to stake up my tomato plants. So tomato plants are vine plants, but they don't have the tendrils, which are little nodes that grow out of vines that actually wrap around things, little grabbers, as I like to call them. So tomato plants don't have the tendrils, so they kind of just end up sprawling all over the ground everywhere, which I have let the tomatoes do that before, but it's basically a giant weedy mess, and it takes over all over the ground, and your tomatoes end up laying on the ground, which I don't suggest because they're really susceptible to all sorts of pests and like water damage. So what I try to do is stake them up. This year I'm using these bamboo poles. Shop, local if you can, from a local nursery. And I chose these bamboo poles specifically because they are a sustainable wood. Bamboo grows basically like a weed. Permacultures are very pro the bamboo because they offer a lot of benefits, and if you are on top of taking care of your bamboo, as in not letting it get really invasive, which it totally can get invasive, it's a really great resource, and they make so many products out of it. Paper, toilet paper, obviously here I'm using it just as a structure, so I hammered in the poles around my tomato plants to support them, and then I just use this hemp rope that I already had and just kind of tied a rope around the bamboo and held it up